Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Yeah, I haven't changed anything here on the Natgas chart. So the price pushed a little higher yesterday. Yeah, still quite friendly today, but it might be consolidating now. It might extend a little lower now in this fourth wave that we anticipated. I have to adjust support slightly because the price pushed slightly higher. You will know that this is what we just have to do. If the price pushes higher, we're adjusting the bullish support level with it. Ideal target for this fourth wave is at around about $3.15. That is the 38.2 retracement. That's typically the ideal target for a fourth wave. Minimum is 328, but if it just reaches that, it's not a reliable fourth wave. So ideally $3.15 shouldn't go below $3.04. If it does that, it's too deep to be a reliable wave 4. It's not invalid, but it's too deep to be a reliable wave 4. And then the risk increases when you're trading on the long side. Ideally, entering also in a wave 4, trading wave 4 and a wave 5 is ideally not a great spot to be in. At least trying to micro trade, to trade the micro fluctuations in a fourth wave is, especially in a very small degree and time frame, not really recommended usually. Nevertheless, we expect here a little bit of a setback. Yeah, that would be ideal to get a healthy wave 4. That could stretch out more sideways. Maybe as a sideways correction could become a triangle. That's what a wave 4 typically does. Or it comes down a little lower here into support. That's not healthy enough for a fourth wave yet. So obviously that doesn't mean it couldn't push higher. It just means that if it pushes higher, I would still have to consider it as part of the third wave. Either way, whatever happens here with the structure, the focus can be on higher against $3.03, $3.04. The reason is what we're doing. We're measuring the length of the third wave and take the retracements. We know that from a sentiment point of view, if the price breaks below the 50% retracement level, sentiment gets more bearish, okay? And the trend continuation higher will get less probable. At the moment, the idea is that, yeah, we come down a little lower, in this fourth wave support area. I gave you the key support levels. And then as soon as we find a low there, we should turn around. We should see a bit of a turnaround there and a rally in the fifth wave of a larger third wave. Then we should see another larger degree fourth wave, another larger degree fifth wave, off wave C, off circle wave 3 there. And then it should still move a little higher. I did mention it, I think, in yesterday's video that sort of the ideal target would be between $3.91 and $4.52. In this area, I'm going to watch for a rejection, and for a completion of this C wave of wave 4, and potentially then a breakdown to completely new lows. This still very much makes the impression of an ABC structure, and at the moment, even though the move up is a little bit more aggressive, it's just doing exactly what we've laid out over the recent months. So I'm extremely happy to finally see this more aggressive movement to the upside. Always pointed out that a break to the upside of the channel is very much preferred, as otherwise it will take forever, okay, in this range. And the ideal target is normally $3.91, the 38.2 retracement level for this fourth wave. The subdivisions, however, suggest we should push a little higher. And then we've got the area between 391 and 452. It is going to be really the move down afterwards, after this move up is complete, which I currently see as an overall corrective wave, in a wave 4. After this move up is complete, it is going to be the pullback, okay, that will really decide the course of action, and the pathway for Natgas over the next few months and, years. I mean, it's all about, do we get one more low or not? Okay, so at the moment, my preferred scenario is that this here is a corrective wave and we get one more low. But I've always laid out the low could, of course, be in, but we will not know that until we get the first deeper retracement, pullback, move down after this rally. So we're finally going there, we're finally getting there, and then I am going to, after this move up is complete, I will provide a support area for a potential setup, for a long trade setup, just in case, because we don't want to miss that rally. I would rather try it, get stopped out, reset lower, than miss that third wave rally that would then start. there is not much more to add. The only thing that I would like to add is obviously there are quite a few different Natgas charts. You know, there's a spot market, there's the futures market, different futures. So don't be too much, don't be too much focused here on the micro structures. They do move in similar ways, but you can get distortions and small differences between the different charts. That's just what it is, right? So I received a few questions about that. So when we dive really into the micro, I mean, you will probably see slightly different micro structures on different charts, but overall they should move into the same direction. Okay, so yeah, don't be too worried about fluctuations on the nano degrees, on the micro degrees. So yeah, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, we did launch our stocks and S&P 500 service last week. If you're interested in daily updates about the S&P, including videos, plus updates about certain stocks and shares, then feel free to check the Patreon out, the Patreon link out in the video description, and maybe we'll see each other on Discord. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.